What's up, guys? Today is going to be part one of rebuilding these trails. For now, it's just me building these trails, but a little bit later, my two friends are going to come help me. We're going to start by watering this berm because it's by far the worst part of the trail. Now that the berm's all nice and wet, let's start the build laps. My two friends just got here and they have a channel that I'll put below. Did Andrew make a good clay sculpture? The berm's done, and now it's time to hit it.
Good,
the sculpture has been upgraded. I think we should have waited for a little bit longer for it to dry. In today's video, we made some pretty good progress. We fixed up this berm, and now it just needs to dry and harden.